Mobzon explores your life. Download today Mobzon App from Google Play Store. Mart is an online shopping platform for Mobzon community. List and sell now. This section helps the users to sell or buy any items. Directly get the orders for their products or services. Free listing possible. Start listing your local products or services and get orders from around the world. Mobzon Store. Here you can publish your products or services for selling through Mobzon e-commerce system. Admin panel will list the item and anybody can buy the item instantly. This is an e-commerce platform with all features. Auction sale. Users can send their products for auction to Mobzon and receive best prices through online auction. Shared stores. Mobzon can list the third-party shopping sites to the users on the app itself. You can reach out for other stores who shared it on Mobzon app. Digital store is a place to sell digital products like e-books, audios, and videos. The user can access the products through Mobzon app only. Restaurants and fashion stores can list or publish their menu or catalogue to get orders. Online shopping and delivery to home will be the future business, and all businesses can do this free through Mobzon. Mobzon explores your life. Download today Mobzon App from Google Play Store.